Hi everyone, my name is Brooklyn Burkhart and I'm currently a senior at Fort Hays. I hope to student teach in the spring and then also graduate in the spring with my bachelor's in early childhood unified. I have two sisters and one brother. I'm from Great Bend, Kansas. And some things that I like to do are hang out with my friends and family, and I also like to watch Netflix and catch up on all the shows I like to watch. Another thing that I mentioned is my dream job would probably be to work with kids with autism or some type of disability like that. So moving on into my low-tech assistive technologies. My first one would be for a child that has autism and is nonverbal. This could also be for someone who doesn't have autism, but that they are nonverbal. So it would be the PECS, which is Picture Exchange Communication System. And with this, you use pictures that correspond to things that your child or your student is really interested in. So if they have a favorite car or truck or something, some kind of toy that they really like, you would have a picture of that as well, so that they knew when they wanted that they that's how they communicated that with you, is by showing you that picture, getting that picture. This is a good way to communicate a student's wants or needs throughout the day, or also I said during a break. So if you're working with a child one-on-one and they need a break, then you can show them the pictures, and they can tell you what they want by using the pictures that you have for them, using the picture exchange communication system. So another assistive technology that I have for I've used this with children with autism and nonverbal or verbal. It could be either one. So this one would be a visual schedule. So if you have a student who it's hard for them to transition from different subjects during the day or different tasks, then a visual schedule may be really helpful for that student. So getting a visual schedule on their desk that shows them each thing that you'll be doing throughout the day, and that they can remove each activity that they have completed that day, remove it from the schedule so that they know that they have one thing done and this is what they have left to do for the day. Using like a Velcro would be really awesome, because then you can change it out from every day and they can take it off as they go throughout the day easily without ripping or messing any of the schedule up. So then my last assistive technology would be for a student with maybe a minor fine motor difficulty, things like writing or coloring, anything that they're using their hands and fingers for. So I said that I would use a pencil grip for a child who has difficulty holding a pencil or difficulty writing. The pencil grip helps the child to hold the pencil correctly, and it in turn helps them write better and write correctly, because they're holding their pencil right and not holding it in an awkward way that makes it hard for them to write and hold their pencil as well. So you could use the pencil grip anytime that this child's writing. So it could be during math if they're writing their numbers, or if it's during a writing lesson where they're actually writing sentences down. Either way would be really helpful, just making sure that anytime they are writing that they're using their pencil grip, so they're becoming aware of the correct way to hold the pencil. So these are my 3 assistive technologies for different types of students that you may have throughout your classroom. Thank you.